Hey everyone, welcome to Shop Talk. We're looking at a West Coast muscle saw, MS-880. You might recognize this saw, one of our very popular arborists on the West Coast. It's his personal saw. West Coast muscle saws were originally built for timber cutters in the Pacific Northwest many years ago and have evolved into a very popular saw worldwide. I do make a limited amount of these West Coast chainsaws. They are all sold as a parts chainsaw, disabled, not to be used for any type of wood cutting. Very high performance engine, cording, decking, custom exhaust, and just very fast razor sharp Sylvie grind chain. This one features a 10-pin drive sprocket. Factory settings says it should turn at 10,000. This one's turning at 13.8. It has that vintage roller nose bar with a max flow filter. And we'll fire it up and make a few cuts with it. It will be disabled at the end of the video. Alright, let's make some cuts. If you have any questions on any of these muscle saws, give the chainsaw guy a call.